That's a little better. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. If you're just tuning in, thank you for watching. For those of you who have been watching, thank you for watching. We got a few things on the agenda to get done today. But first, we gotta go pick up the machine, do a little bit of maintenance on that, and maybe some trailer welding if I can get to it. But yeah, let's go. Set to go. I refurbished that trailer. It used to be nothing but a rusted old frame. America. All right, so in the process, getting her loaded up, I noticed the tracks are muddy, so I got her all shoveled out for the most part. Can't get everything, but yeah, it was a lot worse. You always want to shovel out your tracks because of weight. You'll make less mess if you on your trailer. Obviously, like I said, the weight takes off so much weight, especially when mud gets gunked up right there. That's really heavy. But yeah, we got her going, and we're gonna get loaded up. That's all chained out. It's hard to get video with one hand, but yeah, we're ready to go fix this beast. Let's go see what old Dan's got going on over here. Oh, regular old Paul Bunyan, huh? Yeah. Cut and chop. All right, everybody. We're going to flush this coolant here. It says change the coolant, but I think we're just going to do a whole system flush just to be on the safe side, just in case it's all gunked up or something. Radiator cap. Pickup. We're going to get a bucket under that, and it's got a little tube that drains down that little hole right there. But we're going to get a bucket under that and see if we can't get her to drain. So we're going to open that up. Oh, the thing is, this little pig. That little thing is a knuckle getter right there. I don't know how many times I scraped my knuckle on that. Man, that thing is a booger to get off. But that's probably a good thing. Makes a tight seal. All the seals around that are good. So we're going to open this up. See if she's draining. Negative. All right, we got her draining. You don't just twist it once, you gotta kind of unscrew it. Oh, the more you unscrew, the more it goes. Makes sense. Oh, she's flowing now. I'll wait for that to drain. Just gonna go through and check for stuff like little leaks, stuff like that. Maybe get that tightened down or try to replace the O-ring that's in it. But then, yeah, see, fuel water separator that needs changed. Just look for anything that looks out of ordinary. Check the oil before I started it. So yeah, everything's good. Not leaking on the oil filter or nothing. Yeah, so I'd say we're golden. Check the hydraulic fluid. Good there. We got it started. I'm gonna let it burp and fill up. got all the water in the system, so now it's time to do it all over again. If I can find my bucket, there it is. All right, we're gonna get it to drain again. That's draining. I'm hungry. I'm gonna get some lunch. All right, now it's time to fill it up. You just want to fill it up to the very top. I've already got 1 gallon in there. Let's see, I'll open this. I should really do this step before I turn on the camera, so I don't have to do it one-handed. All right, we got her topped off. Yeah, I'm a little messy, but that'll be fine. I'll clean it up. Go over here and cut her on. Now, repeat the burping process. This is gonna be a while. Alright guys, we got her topped off. After the burping process, add fluid is needed. But we got her topped off. She's running good. It's not overheating. That's a plus. And maybe run around for like 20 minutes, get her working, heat her up. But she should be fine. It says it takes approximately 2.8 gallons, so basically you're gonna have to buy 3 gallons. And yeah, so thanks for watching. If this was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.